Hello, so today I'd like to review quickly these mini USB speakers with LED lights. This specific model connects to computer through the USB, and as I can show you here, just connect it to the computer and turning it on, and it's easy to turn on. And I like that the light is changing, as you can see, and the volume is pretty neat. It actually delivers all the bass and everything that you need. I'm using it for my daughter's computer, connected to this mini PC here, as you can see. So it has two cables, one for the sound and another is a USB, so I'll connect it here at the back. And yeah, it's working fine. My daughter is excited, and I'd highly also recommend getting this one, especially for the price. $20, you can't beat the price.